another video. Today I've got the face cam up so you guys can see me and a little more personal. So today's video we are going to be talking about how I, an 18-year-old college student going to college full time, 5 days a week, is making $600 a day just from investments. You know, whether that be passive investments or active investments, I'm making $600 a day on average between all of my investments. I'm going to show you guys how you guys can do that too in this coming year. So currently, I'll give you a little bit of background. I'm 18 years old, almost 19. I'm in university first year. I am studying business, Bachelor of Commerce, major in accounting, minor in economics. That's what I'm going to school for. That's what I plan to do. I really don't know what I want to do after that, but that's a future problem for me, and we'll figure that out later. So right now, I'm going to give you guys a little update on what investments I own and how I am making this $500, $600 every day, 5 days a week. So the first platform we're going to start on is Questrade. Questrade is the platform I use for all my short-term investments. Short-term I consider between 3 and 4 months. Anything longer than that I hold on my bank's website, which is RBC, and they have a good personal investment platform. Excuse me. So if we're looking on Questrade here, if you follow any of my other videos, you'll know that I'm heavily invested in marijuana stocks. So the marijuana stocks that I'm invested in or have been invested in the past few months here are all of these here. Let's move the camera a little bit so you guys can see. Perfect. That works there. Okay. So as you guys see, these are all the stocks that I've been invested in the past couple months here. If we're looking just at today's date, the change percentage today, we're seeing changes of 12, 10%, 19%. That's quite a bit for any stock investment. So we look at my account. Let's go back to my account here, and we'll show you guys what I was at yesterday. So yesterday, my investment, my total was $997. That's what I had in my account yesterday. And today we are up, I believe, 10%, something like that, which is a good day for me. 10%, 14%. So 14% today brought me $584.68. So my initial investment, I believe, was $3,000, something around there. And so getting 14% in a day, that's pretty good. I'm not complaining about that. And you know, with these marijuana stocks, we're averaging about 8 to 12% a day. 14 is a good day, but I shoot for about 9% a day, as that's profitable in my mind. So 9% a day on any stock in the stock market is really good. If you guys take a look at any of these stocks can make you 9% in a day. You just got to play the dips. When it drops, you got to buy. When it goes up, you got to sell. Play that short-term game with all these stocks, and you can see easily, you know, gains of 10%, 14% a day. I'm up $584 today. That's a good day for me. So that is one form of investment that I have revenue streams from every day. So I will, you know, I'll probably sell this tomorrow and cash that out. And then I'll redo the whole thing again. When it drops, I'll buy more, and then I will sell them off again. You know, 14%, that you could see that in a week easily, daily numbers here. So now we're looking at BitConnect. BitConnect is another passive income source that I have. You know, Questrade and trading marijuana stocks is not really passive income for me. I do have to do quite a bit of technical analysis and a bit of research on it, but it is pretty standard. Like, I buy my stocks, you know, on a Monday, and I'll sell them on a Wednesday, and then repeat the process, and so on and so forth. BitConnect is a little more passive. So BitConnect, for those of you who don't know, is a lending platform where you lend out your Bitcoin, and they pay you daily returns on it. So I believe I started off with $520 or something like that. Excuse me. And so what you do is you convert your Bitcoin into BitConnect tokens, and then you lend your BitConnect tokens. So when you lend your BitConnect tokens, you lend them to the software. And this software is, it trades your BitConnect tokens every day. So the past few days, the platform's actually been down, so the returns aren't very good. But, you know, we've been getting 1%, 1%, 0.5%. That's every day they're paying you. So as you guys see right now, I have $5.48. That's just from today. My total investment being $600 exactly, and my total earned being, after a month, $76. So it's not a lot after a month, but I'm going to try and get this up to about, you know, 3,000 maybe, and then we'll see $30 a day. 1% of 3,000 is $30. So $30 a day, and then we increase that based on compound interest. So, you know, eventually I'm making hundreds of dollars a day because of the compound interest. So when I get paid back from them daily, I'll reinvest that money back into the BitConnect website, and they'll continue to trade that for me. And that's how I earn passive income from this. So with BitConnect, you get your money back after 299 days if it's between 100 and $1,000. So your original investment will come back after 300 days, but you can still take out whatever money you're making daily. So if I'm making $10 a day and I want to take out $100, I gotta wait 10 days and I'll take out $100. The third and final passive income source that I have right now is actually Hashflare. I got into this yesterday. There's a video on it if you want to go check it out. Hashflare is a Bitcoin mining platform, cloud mining. So basically, you rent computer space to mine Bitcoins and process Bitcoin transactions. I firmly believe in the Bitcoin whole idea of Bitcoin. So being able to be a part of the community is, in my mind, a good thing. And so I don't mind, even if the returns are quite low on this, I don't mind putting in some money and helping the community out by mining some Bitcoin. So I put in 1.5 terahash. It's about $420. Not a whole lot, but I should see returns of about $3 to $4 a day, which is not bad. And I'll reinvest that money, of course, and increase that amount. So as you guys see, those are my main three sources of daily income that I consider more passive income. Of course, I'm still working a job and such, but and being a student, I don't have a lot of time to do investing. But the main source is definitely the marijuana stocks in Canada right now. This sector is crazy, guys. You've got until July 1st when marijuana legalizes to get into your stocks and get out of them. I believe come July 1st, a lot of these stocks will see decreases because they're not going to be able to supply the demand that the Canadian recreational use is going to demand. So we'll see a decrease in the stocks for sure come legalization. And if you do follow the weed stocks Reddit, you'll see that that's a common theory in the Reddit forum as well. My top picks right now, guys, are Afria, Harvest One, and Emerald Health. Those are definitely my top three. I could easily see 10% a day on those. 10% decreases too, though, so you gotta be careful. You gotta buy on the decrease and then, take your profits when you can. So 22% today, I'll definitely take that tomorrow morning, as I do think it might just open green as well. 20%, I will take that as well. 8%, I might hold on to Harvest a little bit longer because I think throughout the week we could see, another 7% or so. That's just a little insight into how I'm making $600 a day, guys. It's not that hard to get invested into marijuana stocks. You just got to do your research, pick your companies, and divide your money up. It's not that hard. I did make a video a couple of videos ago telling you guys how I built my marijuana stock portfolio. It basically gives you a little description of the stocks that I pick and why I picked them, and good suggestions for you guys as well. So if you're interested, go take a look at that. Yeah, so that's it for the video. Quick little video on how I make $600 a day as an 18-year-old college student who basically was broke. $600 a day is not bad for any college student, so I think I'm not going to complain about that. I'm going to continue to follow the same trading techniques as I do right now and same platforms that I use. So that's it for today's video. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll see you next time.